Hi guys, so I am here today at the new house. Brandon is in another room starting to set up, and we have all of our supplies, paint and all that for tearing out the carpets and starting to do Kilz on the floor and on the walls. So I'm gonna kind of show you guys those time lapses today and show us getting started on all the work. So here we go. Alright, we did the office, hallway, and master closet, taking a small break for coffee. Look how gross this is. Yikes. So we gotta do master and living room, and Spotify playlist today is sucking, so it's not very motivating, but we're here. What do you think, babe?
I think it's good, but we need to use my Spotify playlists.
The mix we got going is not good. All right, we gotta start going. Okay guys, we just finished tearing out the carpets, so excuse my hot sweaty mess here, but I'm gonna flip you around and show you. So this is the office, and then hallway, master closet we did, and then the stairs in the living room. We still need to go through and pull out all the staples, and we're gonna replace some of these boards, but it's a progress here. And then once we pull up all the staples and things, we're gonna start on doing 2 layers of Kilz. And then after the Kilz is done, carpets will be installed on Monday. If we have time on Sunday after that, then we're going to try to repaint the bottom trim. That way it's done before the carpets get installed. So that's it. We gotta go, but this is our progress so far today.